Come on! Come on! Keep your head up! Pass! Come on, come on! On the ice.
Damn!
Huh? Is it from outside?
I need to get back to my room quickly. I hope I haven't forgotten anything.
Is someone was here? Ah, you rascal!
I thought I was done for.
Drop what you're doing! Our son is trying to escape again!
Darn it! The front door is locked, and Mom probably has the key.
Oh, you little brat! You rascal!
We'll have some tea with Candice. Where did she go?
You rascal!
Aha! Where did she go?
Damn it! Ah! Are you blind or what?
Maybe I should try to get out through the kitchen window. I just need to create a reason for Mom to open it herself.
Hiding!
What if I turn the
Just
exhaust
you
hood
wait!
off?
Come on, get it together! Time is
Where did she go?
Gotcha! 220s. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Watch yourself. Behave well from now on. terrible shift. Just terrible.
Oops.
Is that noise coming from bedroom? I need to check.
I need to hide somewhere quickly.
Wait a second. Ah! You rascal! You little brat. Oh! You rascal!
Stop. Notice that open door!
Oh dear. I'll need a special grease remover here.
Oh, you scoundrel! Where did you
Let's
go?
run outside while we have time.
Rascal!
Over here!
Stop right there!
Oh, you punk! How did you end up there?
Try it without glitches. Huh? Ah, you rascal! You little brat. Aha!
I need to do a running jump into the hay.
Try it without glitches. Huh? Ah, you rascal! Hey.
Come here!
Rascal. Stop right there!
Stop fooling around already! Did you decide to piss your mother off?
Ah, you rascal! Oh, you're going to get it. Oh, you little brat! Ah, you rascal! You rascal! You're going to get it now.
If I move while crouching, my parents won't hear me.